Hi, good evening, everybody. We're going to have session 4 of week 2 of quantitative reasoning today. And I think you guys are doing algebra this week. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. All right. Moving forward, these are the instructions that you need to keep in mind. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and noise-free environment where you sit, and please use your earphones for the best experience. All right. And please do not write anything inappropriate in the chat box, guys. All right. Sandesh, the answer key is on the Telegram group. All right. I'll share the Telegram group link with you all. Wait, just a second. Yeah. Yes, I've shared the. It's pinned actually, Sandesh. You need to see there. Okay, we have these 3 memberships, bronze, silver, and gold, guys. I hope you guys know about it by now. And yeah, if you want to upgrade to any of the memberships, if you want like if you want additional facilities, you need to pay just a minimal amount, and then you'll get everything for everything that you want. All right, so if you want to upgrade, you can drop in your details in the chat box and my team will get back to you. We have this free profile evaluation that is done by our experts, and you need to register for book your slot on the website itself. In this, you get university shortlisting, course recommendation, country recommendation, and recommendation report is made by our experts. All right, for you guys. Okay, it's a personalized report. So this is very beneficial, guys, because this is done by our experts at the organization, and it's a really a nice way to clear your doubts. All right. Moving forward, we have free live IELTS classes that goes on from Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 8:30, and it's a 4-week course. And we have the Duolingo classes that goes on from Monday to Friday, 6:30 to 7:30, and it's a 2-week course. All right, and you can enroll in both of these classes from our website itself. All right. Um, so yeah, we are going to have this webinar that is going to take place on Saturday, which will be taken by our co-founder, Mr. Jaideep Gurujala. I have pasted the link in the chat box. Okay, guys, use the link to register for this webinar. The webinar will be about fund your masters abroad education loans. All right. So there's a lot you want to know about loans and everything. You don't even know about a lot of things about that. So sir will clear all your doubts, and it will be a very beneficial session for you all, guys. So do attend it. I've sent the link in the chat box. Please register for the session on Saturday. It's from 7 to 8. Yeah. All right. Yeah, these are a few reviews that we've gotten. This is the homepage of Ubergrad.com, guys. All right. Go to solutions, go to free profile evaluation to book your slot, go to talk to counselor to book your slot, go to store and enroll for any of the courses, GRE, Duolingo, IELTS. All right. And moving forward, you can also um, come back to solutions. Okay, and there you can go and check out the additional services that we provide and the blogs that are available for you all. Okay, so guys, do check everything out because these are very beneficial things that are provided to you all. Okay, moving forward, go to explore, and you can see there are countries, universities, courses, exams. There is so much information here. And for example, I open management information systems. Look at the amount of information that we've provided to you. Okay, and for 6 different countries in all the fields. For example, I open Canada. Just look, every detail is given to you. You can actually gain so much knowledge just from our website only. So do check it out, use filters, use different stuff, and just explore the website as much as you can. All right. Okay, go over here on your name, go to my test preparation, and go to GRE Comprehensive Life Classes course. You land upon this tab then. All right. For quantitative reasoning, second week, day 3 recording. See, the recording is available, guys. So do check it out. And day 4 handout is available. I will copy the link in the chat box. So yeah. Mm. Okay, Himani, you can attend the Duolingo session. I'll tell you very quickly. See, this is the homepage. Go to solutions, go to store. Okay. You land upon this tab. Okay. Go to Duolingo English Comprehensive Life Classes course. Click on that and enroll. Okay. And then you'll start getting links for that, for the classes. All right. On your mail as well as on your WhatsApp. Okay. Am I clear, guys? Okay, great, great. So, guys, now I think I'll just hand over the session to Sir, and you all have a great session, guys. And if you have any queries at the end, you can ask the moderators. All right. Thank you. So you can take over the session.
Okay. Good evening, guys. Am I audible and visible to everyone? Could you please confirm it? Perfect. In this class, we are going to cover Venn diagram. Definitely, you will get one question. Maximum, you get it 2 questions. So let's try to discuss it. What is Venn diagram? Remember, for our GRE exam, we got only 2 cases. For GMAT, there are 2 cases also, 3 cases also. Please do not confuse it. Always remember that for GRE exam, we got only 2 cases. There are 2 different ways you can solve this question. Let's try to discuss in the standard way. For example, let's consider 2 cases. Let's consider 2 circles, right? Let's consider a circle where, let's say, this circle represents the total number of cricket players. That's category A. Let's say the total number of cricket player. Let's consider another category, that is total number of football player. So now you can see that. So consider as a classroom. Let's say in the classroom, there are total, let's say, T number of students. In this classroom, there are certain number of students who plays cricket. So I represented with circle A. There are certain number of students who plays football. That's circle B. Now, what about this region? This common shaded region, that's known as both. So here, there are certain number of students who can play both cricket and football. And the same classroom, there are certain number of students who doesn't play cricket and football. So where will be that category? That category will be outside. That's called neither. So when we have 2 circles, actually there are 4 separate categories. Look at this portion I'm talking. I'm just talking about this portion. So this will be the total number of players who plays only cricket. And here, if I look at here, this region I'm talking, the total number of players who only play football. So then you can say only cricket. This is the both region, only football. This is the neither category. Is this all 4 categories are clear to everyone? Could you please confirm it? We can use logic and you can fill it easily. Okay. Now, yes. Okay. Now, in the books, there is one formula written. Okay, let me just erase it so you can see clearly. That's what I have written here, and I have mentioned it in the PPT file also. So 2 categories they are showing here. It's a total number. There is a category A. Make sure that this is the total number of any category. This is B, the total number of B, and K means the category both region, and N means the neither. In all the books, there is a formula written like this: total equal to category A plus category B minus both plus neither here. If I use logic also, you will be able to get it. So when I consider total number, if I want to find the total number, you can say that what is category A? I'm just considering the total number of cricket players. This is cricket I consider, this is football I consider. So when I consider category A, you see you considering this only region and both region you're considering. This is the entire thing is category A. When you look at both, B means again you're considering, again this is what you're considering. So there will be this both region, this also both, here also you can see both. Then there is only category B here, only B. This is only A, and there will be a neither category. But why we are subtracting both? Because when I consider category A and category B, you see both I consider one time. When I consider B also, I consider both 2 times. So actually, you just need to consider both category 1 time. That's why we are subtracting both from here. So when I subtract both from here, we consider all the possibility, only category A, only category B, then we consider both 1 time, then the neither category. So that's the meaning of this equation. Is this clear to everyone? We can just use logic and get it done. Please confirm it. Okay. Now, in our GRE exam, they will ask the question directly, but you have to understand in the official guide, they use this word, okay? A union B. A union B, that's equal to A plus B minus A, look, and B. This is known as and, okay? This is known as union. But in the exam, they would ask you directly. So when I given the exam, I never seen a question like this, but you have to understand A union means they are considering the total number of people in category A and category B. This A means the total number of people in the category A. B means total number of people in the category B. Minus and means that's a both region. I hope this statement also clear to everyone. Okay, now let's try to solve this question. You may take 2 minutes and try to solve this question. Always remember, we got 2 cases only. Try to draw 2 circles and fill all the informations. Yeah, everyone is getting to. Please, everyone type the answers here. You don't need to use the formula directly. You can fill all the information faster. Correct. Correct. Yeah, everyone got that answer. Let's anyway wait for one more minute. Good, good. Perfect. Let me just draw the circle. So everyone got the answer. Then let's try to discuss it anyway. Good. That the answer is 2 only. So this question, of the 60 trucks sold, that's a total number, that's 60, by a dealer in a month, 40 have airbag. When you're reading Venn diagram question, careful. When it is only airbag, then you're writing inside. They didn't say only, they said 40 airbag. So you have to write it outside. This, let's say category A, B, it's airbag. This is 40. So the both region also can come here. Then they said 25 half power steering. That's category B. Let's write it as power steering. This will be 25. Now 7 have both airbag and power steering. This is the value. Both. This is both 7. And they're asking how many of the sold trucks have neither airbag nor power steering. Where it will be outside. Let's try to fill all the information. Look, this is a circle over there. The total value you have to get it as 40. Now this value plus 7 you have to get 40. So the value will be here 33. What is the meaning of this one? Only airbag. Only airbag. Same logic I can consider. I'm just considering the circle B. I know the total number of power steering, that's 25. This number is 7. So I can say this value plus 7, you have to get 25. This will be 18. So they're asking the neither category. There are different ways you can say. The total you have to get 60. That will be equal to only this airbag, that's 33, plus both, that's 7, plus this category, that will be 18, plus neither. So if I solve it, this is 40 plus 18, that will be 58. So 60 equal to 58 plus neither. You can say that neither will be just 2. That's one way. Or if you want to use the formula, total, which we know that's 60. When I write category A, we're just considering the entire number, that's 40. When I consider category B, here you have to say 25 minus both, which is given 7, plus neither. Same answer only you will get it. This is 65 minus 7, that will be 58. So 60 equal to 58 plus neither, same answer, you will get the neither as 2. Is this approach clear? Is this the explanation clear to everyone? Is anyone struggling with this question? Please confirm it. Yes, everyone should say okay, then only I will go to the next question. Okay, now I discussed one thing, right? When I see Venn diagram question, there are 2 ways you can solve it. 2 ways. The first one, it's a circle approach, but I like the another way. It's known as table structure or double matrix method. I prefer to solve the question in this way. It's very easy for me. So I'm just trying to solve all the remaining questions in this way. If you're comfortable with the circle, you can solve that. Same question, I'm just going to explain it in a circle way. In a table structure approach, they will say double matrix approach. Same thing, only what we discussed it. This is how we consider. This is category A. That will be, yes, airbag. And here it's a both region. And here it will be category B, that's power steering. Then there was neither. And there was total. Same thing for a table structure. If you want to do it in a stable structure, make sure that you draw 3 lines vertically. 1, 2, 3. And draw 3 lines horizontally. Remember, this is the total number. Okay. Now, you can write what are the categories here? Airbag, power steering. Make sure that if you write here airbag, make sure that you write it the other side, no airbag. Okay. And if you write power steering, make sure that it's no power steering. We've done this category. What about here? The total number of power steering. Then I can say no power steering. So what about this column? They're saying the total number of car who got airbag also, power steering also. It's both region. What about here? If I look at here, the total number of cars who got airbag, no power steering. So I can say only airbag. Okay. And what about this one? Power steering, no airbag, only power steering. This is where they are discussing. What about here? This one, if I look at here, no airbag, no power steering. So that's a neither category. So why I like table structure? If I know one information, totally I can fill everything. So remember, all these values are total. So total here also you can say total power steering, here total no power steering, here total number of airbags, here total number of no airbag. Let's try to fill the information. 60 trucks are okay. Of the 60 trucks sold by a dealer, this is the total number. So here it will be the total number 60. Then they said 40 have airbag. So here it will be 40. Now think 40 plus some number, you have to get 60. What will be this number? 20. Automatically, if I know one information, I can fill it. Is this statement clear to everyone how we got 20? Please, could you please confirm it? Please, everyone. Okay, yeah, perfect. Now, what is the next information? 25 have power steering, the total number of power steering. Here I have to consider. Now, what is the next thought? This value plus this value, you have to get 60. So then definitely this will be 35. Okay, then the last information, 7 have both airbag and power steering. So you have to look power steering and airbag. Here it will be. The next thought process will be, I know this value plus some value. If I add it, I have to get 40. So this will be 33. Is this, I hope everyone understood how we got 33. Could you please confirm it? So automatically this value plus this, you have to get 40. This value plus this value, you have to get 20. Now, can I get this information easily? Yes, 7 plus something, you have to get 25. So this will be 18. Automatically, we know that this value plus this value, you have to get 20. This will be 22 here. So I hope it's clear to everyone how we got each and every value. So when you're writing, make sure that you write airbag, no airbag, power steering, no power steering. If you mix it up, you miss category. That's the only thing you have to be careful. Now, what is the question? How many of the sold trucks have neither airbag, no power steering? So no power steering, no airbag, that is 2. So I like this approach, and I will try to solve the question using circle approach also, table approach also for the couple of questions. Then I will focus on table approach. Is this method clear to everyone? Could you please confirm it? Please, everyone should confirm. If any of you are struggling, I can explain it one more time faster. Please, others. Okay, only 4 people responded. Yes, 33. Yes, okay, 33. Okay, I will just explain a little bit faster. Just removing everything here. Okay, let me just explain one more time. Let me fill it all of this. First thing, you have to draw 3 horizontal line, 3 vertical line. So first category, you can say airbag, no airbag. So with like this, I am writing with a star. Power steering, no power steering. So here it's a total number. Everywhere it's a total number. This is also total number, here total number. So first statement, they said 40 have airbag. So they're talking about here 40. So we know 40 plus something, and total number it's given 60. I missed this one. Yeah. So you know 40 plus some value, you have to get 60. So this will be 20. And 25 have power steering. This is the total number of power steering, 25. We know that 25 plus some value, you have to get 60. Or you can say 60 minus 25. That will be 35. Next statement, look. 7 have both airbag and power steering. Where is both power steering and airbag? 7. Now remember, Payal, you know that this value plus this value, you have to get 40, right? So which number it will be? 40 minus 7, that will be 33. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Yes. Same thing. You can say 33 plus some value, you have to get 35. This will be 2. Same thought process. Some value plus 2, 20, you have to get 18. The question was, that how many of the sold truck have neither airbag, no power steering, no airbag? That's 2. Good. Perfect. So I try to follow with the table structure. It's up to you. If you're comfortable with the circle, try to do that. If you are struggling, make sure that you try to do the question with table structure. Okay, let's try to solve this question. 3 questions are there. But guys, I really want all of you to be comfortable with circle also. Try to solve this question using circle, because I saw 1-2 times they have given the question based on circle. Most of the time, 95%, just a direct question, you can use table structure. First, try to solve the question using circle. Then we will focus on table structure. We'll try to focus on both approaches for the first 2-3 questions. Okay, 3 questions I've given because I just want to show you how the questions can be framed. So at least, at most, all this thing. At least means minimum number. At most means maximum number. 3 different questions. Please try to fill it. Try circle approach first, then table structure. While you are not reading the statement carefully, solving the question is easy, but understanding the language is difficult. Just look at carefully. Please, everyone, please look at this question carefully. What is the meaning of at least? What is the meaning of this? Just want to show you the different languages. No, Atya, please look at the question carefully. Sandesh, guys, do you need more time to solve this question? If you need more time, let me know. If you need more time for this question, because I'm getting answers from only 3-4 people and different answers I'm getting it. If you need more time, please type it yes or no in the chat box. Okay, I'm going to discuss this question. No problem. We got enough questions of, we got enough time and we will solve enough official material questions also. Don't worry. So please look at here, whoever got 30 and 60, all these answers. You are not reading the question properly. That's only problem with Venn diagram. You have to read it slowly, write the variable whenever you see that. In an office, 20 employees drinks coffee, right? It's total number they are saying. They didn't say only coffee drinkers. If they are talking about only coffee drinkers, here I have to put it 20. No. 40 employees drinks tea. Let's say that's category B. That's 40 outside I'm writing. 15 employees drink both of these. That will be the both region. And 5 employees neither drink of this. This will be 5. I hope it's clear. Now let's try to fill all the information. We know that 20 overall, the circle, you have to get 20 number. Look at this portion, it's 15 already gone. So this value plus 15, you have to get 20. This will be 5. So this is 5. Now look at here. The total tea drinkers is 40. Same logic only. If I consider circle B, you see 15 here. And there is some value, let's say X. 15 plus X, we have to get 40. This will be 25. So is this clear to everyone how we got 5 and 25? Could you please confirm it? Please, everyone say if this is clear. Okay, now let's discuss this question very carefully. What they are trying to say, how many employees drink at least one of these 2 drinks? Minimum one of these 2 drinks. What is the meaning of first question? They have to drink minimum one of this drink, right? So there is coffee, there is tea. We know that what is the meaning of minimum one of this drink. it means you can say only coffee drinkers we can consider, and both we can consider, only tea drinkers we can consider. Clear with this? These are the three categories for the first question. So it will be only coffee drinker plus both and only tea drinkers. Okay, so that will be 5 plus 15 plus 25. Okay, this will be 45. Is this clear to everyone? No, why should I consider neither? You think logically, Sakshi. They said you have to consider minimum coffee drinkers, right? Minimum you have to drink one of this. Sakshi was asking, sir, we missed neither. Should I need to consider for the first question? How many employees drinks minimum one of these two drinks, correct? So you have to drink one, either only coffee, only tea, and both. I hope it's clear, correct? Now, second question, how many employees drink either coffee or only tea? Look at this word. So that person should drink only coffee and only tea. Please do not add both. So that's why the language is important, only coffee and only tea. Okay, so that will be only coffee, that's 5, and only tea, that's 25. So when I added 5 plus 25, that will be 30. Is the second question, it's clear? Are you talking about option A? Look at this one, minimum, right? Minimum that, so Ashwin was asking why we consider both, sir, for the first question. Just read this question carefully. How many employees drinks minimum one of these two drinks? So what are the options? He can drink only coffee, only tea. Both means he can drink coffee also, tea also. So we have to confuse. But what is the problem with the so first part? Okay, I know this part. Fill this information, please, guys. Look at this one. I filled everything. I will give you just 1 minute. So we got every information, 5, 15, 25. Please take your own time. Take 30 seconds or 1 minute and understand this statement properly. That's where the problem comes in. I will give you 1 minute. Look at this one. How they can complicate a Venn diagram question, it's just because of the language. That's why I just discussed this question. Concept-wise, everyone will fill everything. So look at this one. Take 1 minute and type the answer properly. What is the meaning of at least one of these two drinks? What is the meaning of either coffee or tea only, they said? What is the meaning of total? You got every information. Atya, you're one second. No. Atya, you're wrong for C because you are overcounting it. Please, everyone, type the answer. Yes, so actually now I think it makes sense to me. Yeah, 1 second. Yep. Yeah, now everyone is getting the right answer. Good. Now everyone is getting the right answer. Ashwin, no, they said, did they say greater than 1, sir? For the first question, no. Minimum 1, right? Okay, good. Everyone is getting the right answer now. 45, 30, 50 here. Whoever struggling it, please look at this question carefully. I know everyone can fill this one. Only coffee drinkers is 5, both 15, this is 25 here. How many employees drink at least means minimum one of these two drinks? So he has to drink coffee, only coffee, or both, or only tea. These are all categories we have to consider. Okay, so only coffee, that will be 5, both will be 15, and only tea will be 25. So you add it all, you will get 45. Is this statement clear to everyone? 45. Okay. Now, what about the second one? How many employees drink either coffee or tea, but they said only, right? That person must drink only coffee and only tea. What is only coffee? 5 plus only tea, that will be 25. Okay, good. Now, what about how many total employees are in the office? You know that we always get 4 categories, right? If I want to find total number, you can consider neither category. Then you can say only coffee drinkers. Then you can say only tea drinkers, then both. These are the 4 categories. You can use the formula, okay? That's what we discussed. Total is equal to A plus B minus both plus neither. This is fine. But when you use this one, make sure that this A means total number. Okay, so I'm just using this way. Neither it's 5. Only coffee drinkers, which we know that's 5. And only tea drinkers, which we know 25. And both will be 15. You add all of it. I think this is 10. This is okay. This will be Am I missing any number here? That will be 50, right? Okay, 1 second, 1 second. So this number 5 plus 50. Okay. So this is 10. This is 25 plus 25, 50. Yes, yes. Right only. I just overcounted. 5 plus 5 plus 25 plus 15. So this will be 40 plus 10. That will be 50. Is this clear to everyone? Is A, B, C, it's clear to everyone? Okay, now I wanted to solve this question using table structure. Please try to do it faster. Now you get the answer faster, okay? So you have to write the category carefully. You can write coffee drinker. If you're writing coffee drinker, make sure that no coffee drinker here. The other way also you can write it. If you want, you can write tea drinker, no tea drinker. It's up to you. Let's take 2 minutes and finish this question faster. Okay, let's wait for others. Same answer only, we will get it. Okay, let's wait 20 more seconds. Try to fill all of the information, then look at the question 1, 2, 3 like this carefully. I hope everyone tried this question. Let's discuss it here. Okay. I have written the category coffee, no coffee, tea, no tea. First one, in an office, 20 employees drinks coffee. The total number of employees who drinks coffee, this will be 20. And 40 employees drinks tea. So this will be the total number. 15 employees drinks both of it, coffee and tea, this will be 15. Automatically, once I know one information, I can fill it. This value plus this value, you have to get 20. This will be 5. What is another information I can fill it? 15 plus something, you have to get 40. That will be 25. And there is one more information. If 5 employees drinks neither of this is the neither category. No tea, no coffee, this will be 5. So 25 plus 5, that will be 30. You can say the total number 20 plus 30, that will be 50 here. This way also 5 plus 5, that's 10. 40 plus 10, that will be 50. So we got the total number as 50 faster. You see, I hope it's clear. Is this clear to everyone how we got 50 faster? See? Okay. Now look at the first question. How many employees drink at least one of these 2 drinks? There are 2 different ways we can solve it. How many categories are there for 2 circles? That will be 4 categories, right? There is one more way. All they are trying to say, only tea drinkers plus only coffee drinker plus both. You try to consider all the category. Only tea drinkers, I think, where is it? Only tea drinkers. Yeah, this one, 25. And only coffee drinker, coffee, no tea, that will be 5. And both, that's 15 here. So you add it, 25 plus 5, that will be 30. 30 plus 15, that will be 45. Okay. Now, in other way, you can think like this. What is at least one drink means you can think like this, total minus neither. So you get all the category, right? Total minus neither. Total was 50 minus what's a neither category? 50 minus 5, 45. What is the meaning? So if I subtract neither from total, you are getting all the other 3 categories. This category plus this category plus this category. You can do it manually. And the second one, how many employees drink either coffee or only tea? That will be only coffee plus only tea. That will be only coffee. If I look at here, only coffee. Yeah, this one, that's 5. And here, only tea, that's tea, no coffee, 25. So that will be 30. Is this way also clear to everyone? Could you please confirm it? Please confirm. Pile, I hope it's clear, right? Okay, good, perfect. Now, now another problem students used to face when they see a Venn diagram question, they may think, okay, maybe it can be 3 category, 4 category. Remember always 2 category and make sure that you write same category always. Okay, for example, you write the same category here, another category here. Try to solve this question faster. Try to solve this question. Let's take 2 minutes only. Here, write the categories properly here. All I can see, size A, size they are talking, size A, size B, and I think then they are talking about color, red color, green color. So just 2 categories only. You can say size A, then size B. If you write size A and you are writing red color, you are missing category. Size A, size B, size A, size B. You don't have to write it. Then I'm writing color here, red color, then green color. Just try to fill all the information. It's a simple question. Total will be, I think it's 100. Try to fill all of it. I just got 2 answers only. Please others read it and fill it. Okay, I will give 30 seconds more because I need an answer for this particular question. Sai, Sahil, Payal, Shruti, please write the answers. Imani, please write the answers. Why I'm getting only 4 or 5 people answers? What about others? Okay, let's try to discuss this question carefully. First, let's read the entire question. In each production, a lot of LED bulbs, 15% of the bulbs are size A and 85% of the bulbs are size B. They are specifying it. Okay, half of the LED bulbs are red color and half of them are green. If 10 out of 100 LED bulbs are red and size A, how many of the LED bulbs are green and size B? Okay, let me write. It's already given the total number as 100. It's given 15% of the bulbs. There are 100 bulbs. If I find 15% of 100, you can directly say 15 by 100 times 115. That's our size A. So this is the total number of size A. We know that this value plus this value you have to get 100. So this will be 85. But you can see that again they are specifying 85% of them are size B. Then what they said, half of the LED bulbs are red color. There are total 100 bulbs. If I take half of it, 50 of them are red color. Then automatically we know this value plus this value you have to get 100. So this will be 50. Automatically the next statement also they are specifying half of them are green bulb. What is the next statement? If 10 of the 100 LED bulbs are red color and size A. So I look red color like this and size A. This will be 10. Now it's a simple process, right? This value plus this value you have to get 15. This will be 5. You can fill it. This value plus this value you have to get 50, this will be 45. Then you can say this value plus this value you have to get 50, that will be 40. Now what is the question they're asking? How many of the one second. Yeah, how many of the LED bulbs are green and size P? Where is green and size P? That's 45. Is this explanation clear to everyone? Could you please confirm? No, Athia, you cannot do it, this question. That's why I just specified use table structure. Clear? Okay, so try to solve the question using table structure. So I hope it's clear. Now it's time to solve the official material questions. Okay, now these questions are a little bit difficult, but let's start with an easy question. Okay, one second. Okay, let's try to solve this question. I will give you 2 minutes. Yes, Imran, all you have to do, if it is new for you, try to draw the table structure, write the category, then do word by word. So automatically, that's why I like table structure. If you know one information, you can fill all the other information. Okay. Most of the students feel like the circle approaches are difficult. That's why I say use table structure. For some students, circle approaches are comfortable, then use it. It's up to you. Okay. All the questions are official material questions. I have taken from this question from PowerPoint. I don't know. I don't know. Just try this question your way, sixth one, and let me know an answer. Yes. Please, everyone type the answers, okay? Opile, look at this question carefully. I think you're making a careless. Okay, I think that's fine. Please, everyone participate. Just try to fill the category first. Good, good, good. Everyone is getting the right answer. Yes, this can be done easily by when? Yes, no problem. Yes, you can. Can we discuss this question? Okay, let's try to discuss this question. Yeah, it's right. Third is the right answer. In a group of 100 adults, each owns a DVD and CD or both. Okay, now let me write the category DVD, no DVD, CD, then no CD. So we got all the category. And what is the total number? It's given 100. But there is a problem here. What about the neither category? No CD, no DVD. You see, right? Each owns a DVD player. There are 100 people, and each owns a DVD player or a CD player or both. Automatically, what will happen to the neither category? You have to understand that will be 0. They will not say it's 0. You have to understand. So there are people in that 100 people, 100 people are there, right? So everyone have one, it's DVD or CD or both. So the neither category will be 0. So this information neither will be no CD, no DVD, that will be 0. Let's fill all the other information. 60 adult owns a DVD player. So this is the total number of DVD player. So 60 plus some value, you have to get 100. So this will be 40. The next statement they said 70 adults own a CD player. So the total number of CD players here, adults, right? 70. This will be 30. And we know that the neither category is 0. So automatically this value plus 0, you have to get 40. So this will be 40. And I know this value plus 40, you have to get 70. This will be 30. This value plus this value, you have to get 60. This is 30. 30 plus 30 only, you will get 60. Now, what's the question? How many adults own both? Means DVD and CD. That will be 30 here. Is this answer explanation clear to everyone? Could you please confirm it? Please, everyone confirm. 6, 7. Only 7 people confirmed. Okay. Yeah, perfect. 10. Good. Okay, now let's try to solve a median level question. And you solve this question. Okay. Let's see this question. It's up to you. Okay, you can solve the question using circle approach or table structure approach. Yeah, if you're comfortable, use the table structure approach. If you're comfortable with circle, use that approach. And if you wanted to discuss this question using circle approach, I can do that also. No, Payal, please look at the answers. Sandeep, Sakshi, please look at the answer carefully. Suyok, please look at the answer carefully. Santesh, I think that's not the right answer. Sakshi, Suyok, okay. I'm getting different answer. I will give you 30 more seconds. No, Kushi. Guys, you're missing one statement from here. Ashwin, it's not A. Okay, then Sandesh, what you said it's right. Why that answer? Why you went with Sandesh? You went with option, I think D, right? Okay, now the answer is C. You know this question when we discussed it, this one, right? They didn't say neither category, but we know that zero. Same way you have to understand this question. Same thing only. Let me write all the categories. I can say number of integers in set A. This will be not in number of integers in not in set A, number of integers in set B, number of integers not in set B. So the total number. Okay. Set A consists of 40 integers. That's the total number of set A. Set B consists of 150 integers. Okay. The number of integers that are in both set A and both set B. So here it's 20. But what about the set of this neither category? Not in set A, not in set B. Definitely that is zero. Is this statement clear to everyone? Could you please confirm it? Neither will be zero. So that's what you have to look at here. They will not say neither. You have to take it as zero. You have to understand it from the problem. Clear with this? Okay. Now I can fill everything, right? 20 plus some value, that's 40. What is that? That will be 20. 20 plus some value, I have to get 150, that will be 130. Now 130 plus 0, that will be 130. And here 20 plus 0, that will be 20. So when I add this way, you have to get same number. 150 plus 20, that's 170. You can see 40 plus 130, that will be 170. What they're asking, the total number of integers that are in set A or set B or both. It means you can think this way. Both region we consider, then only set A and only set B. Because anyway, the neither is zero. So the answer will be 170. If you're confused, consider all the category. Both will be 20. Only category A. Category A, B is out. That's 20. And only B, this is B, A is out 130. You add it, you get still 170. Both the quantities are equal. Option C. Is this answer explanation clear to everyone? I'm just showing the different way they will frame it for the exam, the questions. Why, Suyog? Why can't I add it? They are asking the total number, right? Yes, that's a total number. It's not an. Or means over, always, or means always you have to add it. Clear? They're asking the total number always. Clear with this? Clear? They're asking the total number. Yes, you are. Yes, or and all this thing. You can see, right? It's also official middle question. Okay, here each owns a DVD player, a CD player, or both. Clear? So this is the way of saying total number. So you have to be comfortable with the language. That's why we are taking the official middle question. You will get this type of question in the real exam. Please practice it. If you have any questions, you can ask me later. Now let's try to solve another question. Please think logically also. I need an answer. Yes, correct. Sandesh, when you say union, right, that's a total number. No problem. Please try to focus this question. It's a medium level question. I will say the difficulty level will be 4. I need an answer from this question from everyone. No, that's not the answer. What is the greatest possible? Wait. I think they didn't take the question. 1 second, please wait for me. I think there is a mistake. Okay, let me just look here. Let me check it. Okay, like 1 second. Is there something missing? What is the greatest? Okay, they missed this word. G. Yeah, greatest possible number of students that could have taken both algebra and chemistry. Yeah, greatest. 27 is not the answer. No, that's not the answer. These others type the answers. Okay. Okay, let's try to discuss this question. We don't have that much time, friend. Look, let's try to fill what are the categories here. In a graduating class of 236 students, so this is the total number I know, 236. 142 took algebra, 121 took chemistry. So I can say the total number of students who took algebra, not algebra here, and that's 142. So you can say, what is this number will be? 236 minus 142. I will just use the calculator. That will be 94. Please correct me if the numbers are 236 minus 142. That will be 94. Correct. Okay. Then 121 took chemistry. So this category will be chemistry, no chemistry. 121. So it will be, this will be 236 minus 121, 236 minus 121. That's 115. Okay. Now, what is the greatest possible number of students that could have taken both algebra and chemistry here? So they are talking about both. Here you have to get maximum value. Okay. Now, there is a concept I discussed it last time. Okay, last class. Look, if you got a statement like this, x plus y equal to 10, let's say x and y are positive integers. So it's like 1, 2, 3, you can assume it. And the question I said, you got a statement x plus y is equal to 10. What is the maximum value of x I can get in? What will be the answer? Yes, correct, Payal. You cannot try hit and trial method on the exam day. Correct? So if I want to find the maximum value of x, the other term will be minimum. Is this clear? So because what is the minimum value of y? I said x and y are positive integers. So minimum value of minimum smallest positive integer, that's 1. So x will be 9 here. Same thought process. If I want to find the maximum value, you know that if I write like this, let's say this is A, B, C, D here, right? So you are adding two values, A plus C. It's already know it's 121, correct? So the question, what is the maximum value of A? You can get it. So what you can think, the minimum value for C, you have to get it. The other way you can think like this also. If look at this expression A plus B also, that's 142. If I want to find the maximum value of A, B should be minimum. It's up to you which way you are solving it. So if I look at here, what is the minimum value I can put it? Yeah, it's an integer value because it's a pupil, right? So I can put 0 also here. If that's a minimum value, I'm getting it here. If this is minimum, are you getting maximum here? Definitely 0 plus something, you have to get 121. That will be the answer, 121. Is this clear to everyone? Could you please confirm it how we got 121? Yes, Sandesh, we can do it by circle, but it will be confusing for others. Okay. Yeah, if you need, I can help you personally. Okay. Is this clear? So always remember this one. Okay. That's why I said, if they're asking find the maximum value or minimum value, use this and apply it always. I always use it when I see this type of questions. Because Kushi, you asked why 0, right? Because I have to, you know that this value, okay, look at here. Kushi here, they're asking both value minimum, right? So if, sorry, both value maximum they're asking. So you know that A plus C, you can think like this, A plus C, 121. If I want to find the maximum value of A, C should be minimum. But C is just pupil, right? What is the minimum number of people you can consider 0? You cannot consider -1 pupil like that, right? So the 0 is the minimum value, automatically this will be 121. You can think C as 1, but then it will be 120. But that's not the case. They are talking about minimum value that's 0, so it will be 121. No, even if you consider, you tell me a value, even if you consider A and B, think here it should be maximum, then what is the minimum value you have to consider? You have to consider minimum B. So what happened here? Okay, I will just explain what Gupta was asking here. So he was saying, look, let me just do it faster. This is algebra, no algebra. This is chemistry, this is no chemistry, right? So let's say this is A max. That's what you have to find it. There is B, I think C written. This is B, then D. 142, let me fill all of it. 94. This is 121, 115. This is 234, 236. Okay, Gupta, what number should I need to take for B? He was saying if I assume B, some value, A is changing. No, maximum value, if A is maximum, B should be minimum. Don't think B, I can put 0. If I put B 0, what is the value here? 142. 142, it's possible. No, here maximum this value plus this value, you have to get 121. Then it will C will be a negative number. That case is not possible. So what is the minimum value you can get it for here? This is 121. Then I think 21 is the minimum value for B. You can get it. Clear with this? Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. So let's see this question. Again, it's a difficult question, I will say. But try to put the categories properly, then you will be able to get the answer. It's a confusing question, but write it properly, then you will be able to get the answer. Write the category properly. Sandesh, which is greater? No. You didn't read it carefully. Just check it one more time carefully. Each and every statement. Write the category properly. Any answers? I just got only one answers. What about others? Okay, what I can do, I will write the categories here. Okay, so let me write the category. When I read this question, among the 9,000 people attending a football game at College C, there were X students from College C and Y students who were not from College C. The number of people attending the game who were not students, right? So I see, I can write it the category like this: the total number of people from College C. So I have to write the second category, the total number of people not from College C. Okay, then you can see students. So I can say no students. These are the categories. Students, no students. Here, total number given. What they're asking, the number of people attending the game who were not students. So they're asking this value. Let's say if I put it as K, they're asking K. Now try to think, write all of it and try to solve this question. I will give 1 more minute. So understanding the category is the challenging part. It is a difficult question. Please, everyone type an answer. Okay, good. Okay, let's wait another 50 more seconds for others. Good. Everyone type an answer for this particular question. This type of questions you can expect it in the second section because it's a difficult question. Yes, that's right. C is the right answer. Let's try to discuss it. So whenever you get a Venn diagram problem, I know you can identify easily. Second thought process, how will I write the category? Okay, simple question, you will be able to write it easily. It's a difficult question, may be confusing, but once you identify the category, then the question will be easy. Among the 9,000 people attending a football game at College C, this will be 9,000. There were X students from College C, so that will be students from College C, right? X students from College C, this value. And Y students from not College C. So students not College C, this will be Y. The question, the number of people attending the game who are not student. So this is not student category K, we have to find it. We know the total number is 9,000. What is the sum here you are getting for this total number of students? That will be this value plus this value, X plus Y. So we know that the total number is 9,000, and we know that this value plus this value, you have to get 9,000. Let me write it as an equation: X plus Y plus K equal to 9,000. The question, you have to find the value of K. So you see X and Y this side. I'm just subtracting X and Y from both sides. If I subtract X and Y, it's gone. K, you are getting it as 9,000 minus X minus Y. Both the quantities are equal. That will be C. Is this explanation clear to everyone? Please confirm it. Okay, good. Now this question, it's a medium level. Everyone will be able to do that, but I think we don't have that much time. One difficult question. This is the hardest question. Okay, and it's a multiple choice question. Select one or more answer choices. I want you to finish this question in 2 minutes 20 seconds. These are the typical type of advanced level questions. Okay, So try to solve it. Do not take too much time. Try to write all the category and try to find an easier way to solve this question. I will say the difficulty level, it's 5. Hardest question. There are more than one answers, okay, for this particular question. Is it only B answer? Is it that's only answer you are getting? Okay, B is working. What about the other answers? You have to pick all the right answers, right? There is no partial mark for this question. Okay, I will give you 30 more seconds. Please type an answer. Think logically. Katyani, are you sure A will work? Kushi, even if I try hit and trial method, A will not work, I think. A will not work. Okay. Sai, you are right. That is working, but that's not the entire answer, right? There is no partial mark. So you have to pick all the answers. To get a perfect 170, you have to solve this question. Katyani, I think you're missing. I think whatever the answer you have given, it's right. But I think 1, 2 answers you're missing. One more answers I think you're missing. Sai, you're right, but you are missing certain answers. Okay, let's try to discuss this question. I hope everyone tried this question carefully. Yes, Kedi, you are right. That's right. Okay, so let's look at this question. Set A has 50 members and set B has 53 members. Let me write the category. Set A, not in set A. Set B, not in set B. This is the total number. Set A has 50 members, so this will be the total number. Set B have 53 members. Okay. Now, at least we know that at least means minimum. Minimum 2 of the members in set A and not in set B. Where is they are talking about? Set A, not in set B. What is the minimum number? You have to get it 2. You can have 3, 4, 5. But what is the minimum value you have to consider? 2 here. Okay. Now, which of the following, and what is the question? Yeah, which could be the possible values they are asking. Which of the following could be the number of members in B and not in set A? So B not in set A. So they are asking all the possible values. Okay. Is this question clear to everyone? So all they're asking, is it, can I substitute 3, 5, 13, 25 here for possible value? Okay. Now, what should be the thought process? I cannot solve this question faster. Let me just put variables here to think better. Let's say, what should I put here? A, B, C, D here. Okay. So they're asking the possible values of C. C, the possible values of C. What will be my thought process? I will try to find the minimum value of C and maximum value of C. Any value in between, I will pick it. Is this clear? Is this concept clear? So if they're asking what could be the possible values of anything, try to find the range. Try to find the minimum value and maximum value. Same concept as we discussed it before. If you got a statement x plus y is 10 and x and y are positive integers, now if I ask you what's the maximum value of x, automatically you have to minimize the other term. So let's think, what is the maximum value I can get it for C? Then this should be minimum, this should be maximum. First, let's try to find the other way. So it will be much clearer for all of you. Let's say, okay, here we have to find the possible values. Let's say this is C, and let's say this is A and B, but there is a condition here, B should be equal to 2 or more than 2 possible. So if I want to find the minimum value, you can see here, this is maximum, A plus C, max A plus C, that will be equal to 53. A plus B, that's equal to 53. So this, this A plus C, I have to write it, okay? Why I'm explaining this way? This is wrong what I said. A plus C, that should be 53. I'm just trying to find the minimum value of C. So this will be maximum. And you have to consider this way also. You know, another statement, A plus B, that's equal to 50. So if this is maximum, this will be minimum. So what is the minimum value of for B? I can get it. It's already given 2. So if that is 2, we know this will be automatically 50 minus 2. This will be 48. I hope it's clear to everyone how this is maximum 48. If this is 48, this is the maximum value I can for A. 48 plus some value, you have to get 53. The minimum value of C, that will be 5. Is this explanation clear to everyone? Please confirm it. If you're thinking, I can put 3 here. Okay, let me just fill it. 53. This is given 50. This is A, not A. This is B, not B, right? If you're thinking, I can put 3 here. What will be the value here? 50. Then what will be the value here? 0. But it will not work because they said here, the minimum value you have to get 2. Clear? So 3 will not work. 5 will work. So I do understand the minimum value. Okay, I do understood the minimum value. For C, that's 5. Now I'm just trying to find, let me fill here 53, 50 here. I know here it's 2 minimum value here for B. You can assume 3, 4 like this. Same thought process, A, C, right? I just want to find the maximum value. A plus C, that's 53 given. If I want to find the maximum value of C, A should be minimum. Same thought process, A plus B. You can see A plus B, that's 50. Now, if I want to find minimum value of A, this B should be maximum. Now think logically, what is the maximum value I can go for B? I can go up to 50 also. If this is 50, A plus 50, that will be 50. This will be 0. If A is 0, what is the value of C? Maximum value, that will be 53. Clear? So any value from 5 to 53, I can pick it. I will pick all the options from B to F. Is this explanation clear to everyone? Out. Please confirm it. While I can go up to 53. So this concept plays an important role, okay? If you are struggling, you can try hit and trial method and solve it, but you have to be careful. You should not miss any value. I hope it's clear. Could you please confirm it? I know it's a difficult question, but what to do? We have to solve it if you need to get a perfect 170. So that's it from my end. There is one question we missed it. All of you will be able to solve it. Guys, I will not be able to continue the classes. I think I will try to take the class by tomorrow. I think that will be my last class. 70% chances are there I will be able to take the class. Because of some commitment and personal issue, I will not be able to continue the classes. All the best for your GRE preparation. And one more request, if you want to score a better score for the GRE, any score from 165 to 170, it's possible. Okay, if it is a bad day, you must get minimum 150, 165. Okay, and what you have to do, solve all the questions from the general test, quantitative reasoning. Once you're done with that, you already understood all the official material question. Then go with the Power Prep 1 and 2, which is free from the ETS website. Do the first paper, analyze your mistake, then go to the second paper and do the same thing. Okay, then you can try 2011 and 2017. Make sure that you solve only official material question, especially for the verbal part. So that's it from my end. Now, the admin will take care of from here now. Ma'am, you can take care from now.